Hey, what's up everybody? It's Corey Peterson, your Up North car guy, and I'm here on the lot with a very interesting, in my opinion, a 2010 Nissan Armada behind me. We have this on the lot for sale. This vehicle is a 2010. It's got about 94,000 miles on it. It's in really nice shape. I actually really like this car. The Nissan Armada has been sold in other parts of the world since the 50s as the Nissan Patrol. Really cool, super reliable vehicle. The Nissan Patrol has had many iterations, and it's a very easily customizable vehicle, and you don't have to search the internet very long to find versions of that Nissan Patrol with crazy engine swaps, from LS swaps like you would see over here. Everybody puts an LS V8 in their race car or weekend toy car. I've seen them with 6.6 Duramax swaps, crazy engine swaps like that, all the way up to RB25 and RB26 DET inline 6 swaps. Those engines, for anyone who knows, are the single turbo and twin turbo versions of Nissan's inline 6 that go in the R32 or R33 Skyline, which are very cool and very rare cars. So anyway, this particular Armada is powered by a 5.6 liter V8. Like I said, it's about 94,000 miles on it, and I just want to show you this car because I think it's in good shape. I think it's a great value for the money. We'll take a look inside here real quick. Someone's texting me. I just dinged in my pocket. You can see inside the vehicle, super clean. With the visor up there. The center stack there in the middle. And then we'll look in the back door. Lots of room in the second row, and then the seats are folded down now, but you can see the seat belts back there. This has 3 rows of seats as well. I'll do a little walk around the back here, so hopefully I don't fall down in the ditch. So yeah, open the doors again here. Super clean on this side as well. Really nice car, and like I said, in my opinion, great value for the money. Low miles, and this thing will go forever. So yeah, anybody you know is looking for a nice budget option for 4-wheel drive for the wintertime here in Traverse City. It's not snowy now, but it will be. We can't avoid it forever. Have them reach out to me. Have them look me up on Facebook or Instagram at Up North Car Guy. You can see all the links down there below. Yeah, feel free, call, text, whatever. I'm easy to get a hold of. Love to help you find a new vehicle.